Hi everyone, welcome to Healthy Indian Recipes. Today I'm going to show you another gluten-free millet-based Goli idli recipe which is delicious and healthy. So let's start. In a pot, add 1 cup of water. Add half a teaspoon of salt. Half a teaspoon of ghee or clarified butter. Now bring this water to a boil. Once the water is boiling, add half a cup of Barnyard Millet flour, also called as Sama rice flour or Varai flour. Give everything a good mix. Now turn off the flame and cover it with a lid and let it rest for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, uncover. Just mix it well. And now remove this mixture on a wide plate. Now the mixture will be very hot, hence use a spoon and start kneading. And as the mixture cools down, wet your palms and start making this into a soft dough. Knead the dough with the base of your palms. Our dough is almost ready. Now add half a teaspoon of oil. Mix it well again. Our dough has become really soft. Now grease your hands with some oil and take a small portion of the dough ball. Shape this into a smaller ball. Now repeat this process for the rest of the dough. Keep the size of the idlis smaller so that they are well coated with masalas and it will be delicious. On the side, let's prepare a steamer. So in a large pot, I have added 1 cup of water. Cover it with a lid and let the water boil. Once the water is boiling, I'm adding a steaming dish. Add all the dough balls to it. Now cover with the lid and steam for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, turn off the stove and let it rest for around 5 minutes. You can see the Varai balls have cooked really well. Now heat 1 tablespoon of oil in another pot. Add 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds, a pinch of hing, 3 to 4 curry leaves, half a teaspoon of sesame seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of red chili powder. Mix it well. Now to this add all the smaller Goli idlis that you have prepared. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now combine everything well. You need to make sure that all the masala is well coated to the idlis. Our idlis are almost done. Now garnish with coriander and it's ready to serve. I hope you like my today's recipe. Do give it a try and let me know how it turned out for you in the comments below. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thanks for watching.